Welcome to Health Lantern. Today, we're diving deep into the shocking truth that lurks behind the aisles of your local supermarket. We're exposing the $100 billion ingredient that's quietly making your food toxic. Let's start by understanding the history of oils in food. Ancient times. Oils have been a part of human diets for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, used various oils for cooking, medicinal purposes, and even as offerings to gods. Olive oil, in particular, was highly prized and widely used for its flavor and health benefits. Medieval and Renaissance periods. During the Middle Ages, animal fats like lard and tallow were commonly used for cooking. As trade routes expanded and explorers brought back new ingredients, culinary practices evolved. Vegetable oils like rapeseed, flaxseed, and sunflower oil began to find their way into European kitchens. Industrial Revolution 18th to 19th centuries. The Industrial Revolution marked a turning point in the production and use of oils. With advancements in technology, new methods of oil extraction, such as hydraulic presses, were developed. This allowed for larger-scale production and improved efficiency. Cottonseed oil gained popularity during this period, especially in the United States, as it was a byproduct of the booming cotton industry. Early 20th century. The early 1900s witnessed significant changes in the oil industry. Producers started to refine oils using chemical solvents like hexane to extract more oil from seeds and grains. This refining process removed impurities and increased shelf life, but also stripped away natural nutrients and introduced harmful additives. The emergence of hydrogenation. In the early 20th century, the process of hydrogenation was introduced. Hydrogenation involves adding hydrogen atoms to unsaturated fats, converting them into solid or semi-solid fats. This created a more stable fat, giving rise to the widespread use of partially hydrogenated oils, commonly known as trans fats. Margarine, a hydrogenated vegetable oil, gained popularity as a butter substitute. Post-World War II. Following World War II, there was a surge in food production and the rise of large-scale food processing. Manufacturers sought cost-effective ingredients with extended shelf lives. Refined oils, particularly soybean oil, became prevalent due to their low cost, neutral flavor, and versatility. As industrialization boomed, big companies saw an opportunity to maximize their profits by introducing highly processed oils into our diets. These oils, derived from seeds and grains, underwent extensive refining processes that stripped away their natural nutrients, leaving behind a lifeless, toxic substance. And why did they do this, you ask? Profit, my friends. These big companies realized that using refined oils was cheaper, had a longer shelf life, and created addictive flavors that kept us coming back for more. But at what cost? These oils, once consumed, wreak havoc on our bodies. They can cause inflammation, disrupt hormone balance, and impair vital organ functions. The damage they inflict is both short-term and long-term, setting the stage for a cascade of health issues. Let's break it down, shall we? Refined oils contain high levels of trans fats, which raise bad cholesterol and lower good cholesterol. This imbalance leads to clogged arteries and increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, and even heart attacks. Furthermore, these oils promote chronic inflammation throughout the body. Inflammation, the root cause of many diseases, can lead to conditions like arthritis, diabetes, autoimmune disorders, and even certain types of cancer. But wait, there's more. These toxic oils are also linked to weight gain, digestive issues, and impaired nutrient absorption. They can even affect brain health, leading to cognitive decline and an increased risk of neurological disorders like Alzheimer's. And who benefits from this toxic cycle? You guessed it, the big companies. By cutting costs and utilizing these harmful oils, they pad their pockets with billions, while compromising our health. But in recent decades, concerns have arisen regarding the health effects of oils used in processed foods. The recognition of trans fats as harmful led to increased awareness and subsequent regulations to reduce their usage. However, other refined oils, such as corn, soybean, and canola oil, continue to be widely used in the food industry. Today, there is a growing movement towards healthier oils, including olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, and others that are less refined and retain more of their natural nutrients. Consumers are increasingly seeking alternatives to highly processed oils, emphasizing the importance of making informed choices about the oils we consume. So, what can we do to protect ourselves? It starts with being informed consumers. Read food labels, avoid products with refined oils, and opt for healthier alternatives like cold-pressed oils or natural fats like avocado and coconut oil. But what about cooking and finding foods without oils? Fear not, for there are numerous ways to enjoy delicious meals without relying on toxic oils. Let's explore some options, shall we? Air fryers have gained popularity in recent years, providing a healthier alternative to deep frying. They use hot air circulation to achieve that crispy texture without drowning your food in oil. Air frying can be a game changer, allowing you to enjoy guilt-free crispy treats like sweet potato fries, chicken wings, and even onion rings. You'll experience all the flavors you love with significantly less oil and fewer health risks. Another fantastic method is stir frying. By using a non-stick pan and a small amount of vegetable broth or water, you can achieve that savory, Asian-inspired dish without drenching it in oil. It's a healthier way to enjoy the vibrant flavors of vegetables, tofu, or lean proteins. And don't forget about oil-free baking. You can still indulge in delicious baked goods by replacing oil with natural alternatives like applesauce, mashed bananas, or even Greek yogurt. These swaps retain moisture and flavor while reducing the unhealthy fats. Now, finding foods that don't contain toxic oils may require a bit of label reading and conscious choices. Here are some common strategies and tips on how to identify them by reading the labels. 1. Companies may use technical terms or alternative names for processed oils to confuse consumers. For example, instead of explicitly mentioning partially hydrogenated oil, they might use terms like hydrogenated vegetable oil or shortening. Be vigilant and familiarize yourself with these terms to recognize when processed oils are being used. 2. Companies may list different types of oils individually on the ingredients list to make them appear lower down the list and give the impression of a healthier product. By splitting oils such as soybean oil, corn oil, or canola oil into separate entries, they may seem less prominent. However, the cumulative amount of oils used should still be considered. 3. Some food products have unrealistic serving sizes listed on the packaging, which may make the amount of processed oils appear lower than it actually is. Pay attention to serving sizes and consider whether you are likely to consume more than the suggested portion. 4. Companies may use attractive labels and claims like all natural, healthy, or low fat to create a perception of healthfulness, even if the product contains processed oils. Don't rely solely on front-of-package claims. Always check the ingredients list and nutrition facts panel for a comprehensive understanding. Check for hidden trans fats. While trans fats are banned or limited in many countries, companies may still find ways to include them in their products. Look for terms like partially hydrogenated oil or any mention of trans fats in the ingredients list. Keep in mind that if a product contains less than 0.5 grams of trans fat per serving, it can be labeled as trans fat-free in the United States. 5. Instead of focusing solely on avoiding processed oils, actively seek out products that use healthier oils like olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. These oils are generally less refined and may offer more nutritional benefits. 6. Stay informed about the brands and products you trust. Research companies' practices, read reviews, and seek out organic or minimally processed options. Supporting transparent and health-conscious brands can help ensure you're making informed choices. We hope this information helps you make an informed decision. Please comment below if you have any good brands to recommend or cooking tips that we can all benefit from. Please hit the like and subscribe as it really helps our channel. Click on the next video to continue on your path to better health. Have a happy day.